Alright guys, it's 6 in the morning. We are packed up and headed up to Shaver Lake for the annual Norcal vs Socal Toyota meetup. Alright guys, we finally made it. It took about 6 hours to get up here, but we are here. This is the camp setup. Got the Nemo tent, Nemo privacy shelter, 10 by 10. Little charcoal grill, some camp chairs ready for the bonfire tonight. And then we'll do some wheeling tomorrow. That was it for the first night. We just hung out by the bonfire until the next morning. Right here, we're making a little bit of coffee. We made some breakfast, and then we were hanging out in preparation for the trail run in the late afternoon. However, in the early morning, it did rain on and off, so we kind of just hung out at camp until it passed. Luckily, it passed, and we were able to go to the tide pools and have a little bit of fun in the daylight in preparation for our night run. Well, we're getting rained out. Hopefully it clears up enough for our night run. This wasn't on the forecast. Once the sun came back out and the clouds went away, we made a quick dash out to the tide pools, which was really just about a minute or two away from camp, so not too far, and it was good times for sure. After that, we all went back and got ready for the run up to Bald Mountain. Once we got to the top, we climbed up to the lookout to check out the views, which were amazing. Far away, you could see thunder and lightning, so we knew it was only a matter of time before the rain made it our way. And we jumped in the trucks and headed down as fast as we could. Eventually, the rain caught up with us, but it was only on the last quarter portion of the trail, and we made it safely to the highway and back to camp. Actually, just wait. We'll leave it like that. We'll stop recording when we get to the road.